What is the best way to clean bent bottom of a pot naturally? How easy and fast can you clean bent bottom of a pot? Can I clean bent bottom of a pot naturally without cleaning product? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple and inexpensive way to clean bent bottom of a pot naturally. And let's dive right in. And this is the bent bottom of our pot. This is what we are going to be cleaning naturally and get all these look new again. And what you're going to need for this cleaning process, clean this bent bottom of a pot naturally, is we are going to use lemon juice, and then we are going to use play sand. So just get a play sand. If you have some at the backyard or you have some for your kids that play with, this is really good cleaning product you can use inexpensively without any cleaning product. And you can find this in your local store as well. So just lemon, and you're going to need a sponge as well, and then also we're going to use a glove. I'm going to cut this lemon in two. You're going to make a little mess, so I will just put something on the countertop, and then we're just going to put our pot on here, and then just going to squeeze the lemon juice on top of the pot. And then now I'm just going to take my sand, and then we're just going to put a little bit on it, just sprinkle it on, and all this soaking into the lemon juice. And then we're just going to use our wet sponge, and you don't want it to make it too messy in your counter, so just be a little careful. You can always add more, and we can just spray more lemon juice on this. All right, and then with our wet sponge, just going to start scrubbing this, and just do a circular motion. Just turn this around. Turn this around. And then look at that. It's coming off gradually. So we can add more lemon juice. Just squeeze it on. And then we add more sand. You can use a soap pad or sponge. And then keep going the circular mode. Then just look at this. Look at the transformation right away. See how all this bent stuff, sticky thing is coming off. Let's turn this around. Add a little sun. And now just go sideways and turn it. And then look at that, just looking brand new. Wash the side. Add a little bit more here. We are just going to wash this off to see how clean this looks or how clean it is. Now we're going to wash this off. And let's see. Now we can see how the bottom of our pot looks. The bent is almost gone. We just have a little line up here, and I'm just gonna go over it because I want this to be clean and clean. Now this is the pot. This is the bent bottom of our pot. It's almost gone, and we can just give you a few more clean. So we're just gonna add more juice, lemon juice on here, and then we just add a little bit more sand. You just have to be patient with it, and then you just scrub again. It's very, very inexpensive. If you don't have a cleaning product at home, you can use this method. So we're gonna add a little bit more lemon juice. Like I said, you can use a soap pad as well. I have an old soap pad, so I'm just gonna use this to go over it with a little sand to smoothen everything out. Now it's much better, cleaner, neat. So we're just gonna wash this off now. Okay, so to be able to clean the mess you made in your kitchen, first of all, before we wash all this, I'm going to grab my towel that I did it on, and then I'm going to use it to clean all the sand into the sink. All right, and then now after we did that, make sure that my counter is not a messy with sand. So clean it all off and put it in the sink. And then I'm going to just shake the towel so all the sand will come into the sink. And you're going to be washing this later so you have it clean. But we have to make sure that we don't have sand everywhere. So now that that is done, I'm going to make sure that I shake all the sand off the pot right here into the sink, one side of the sink. And then I'm going to shake my sponge as well. Make sure I don't have enough sand in there. Okay, with that, I am going to scrape all this sand because you don't want this to be going into your sink. So we are going to scrape all this. And I'm just going to use paper towel and grab all this in so I don't have all this sand in my sink. If you do this outside, then you don't have to worry about that. But if you did it inside in your sink, then make sure you get all the sand out. So whatever is going, it will not be that much into your sink. You don't want to have all this drain inside your sink. So make sure you get all that clean up. Okay, now that that is done, we are going to start washing off our pot. And then look at that. Make sure you get a lot of sand out as much as possible. Okay, now I'm going to use dish soap. Now just use a soap and just wash this off. Just wash this. Make sure we clean our sink as well, so you don't have any messy things. Alright, and then we just rinse this out. Now look at the bent bottom of our pot. It's much cleaner. Looks more newer than before. Look at that. Wondering what is the best, easy, simple, and natural way to clean bent bottom of a pot? I just show you in this video how to use lemon juice sand to clean bent bottom of your pot to make it new again. And look at what this is our final product. This is how our bent bottom of this pot is looking new, cleaner, nice again. This is something you can use if you do not have a cleaning product at home, or you're out of them, you don't have anything. You can just use this trick, this lemon juice and place sand, which you can find at the backyard, because just use lemon juice and place sand, very inexpensive. If you want to learn how to use dish soap and sand to clean bent bottom of a pot, watch the next video. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos like this. If you have any ideas of natural way of cleaning bent bottom of your pot, please leave it in the comment section below for me. As always, I thank you for watching my videos and I will see you on that video. Take care. Bye.